Build an aquaponics system using 500 plastic bottles. You can grow vegetables and raise fish at the same time. The process is extremely simple. This system allows you to enjoy fresh vegetables while also harvesting a batch of healthy, plump fish. First, build a sturdy frame for growing vegetables. Steel frames are used here, but you can also use cement, plastic, or wooden beams. After building the frame, lay waterproof plastic sheeting over it. The frame serves as a simple mini pond. Spread some sand at the bottom to simulate a natural living environment. Tie several nylon lines across the top of the pond, keeping appropriate spacing between each line. The basic pond structure is now complete. Collect around 500 plastic water bottles from recycling bins. Use large bottles, at least 1.5 to 2 liters, and cut off the top part with a knife. Punch evenly spaced holes around the bottom half of the plastic bottles. Next, mix the soil. Break it down as finely as possible. You can choose richer, more fertile soil if available. Fill the perforated plastic bottles with soil. Place these soil-filled bottles inside the pond. Use the nylon lines to separate and secure each bottle so they stay stable against wind and rain. Then, fill the pond with water until it mostly covers the bottles. Buy water spinach, kangkong seeds from the market. Soak them in water and remove any defective seeds to ensure high germination. You can use other vegetable seeds if you prefer. Place 2 to 3 soaked seeds into each bottle. Now you have 500 plastic planters ready. If you collect more bottles, you can grow 1,000 or 2,000. Once the seeds sprout and start growing leaves, purchase catfish fingerlings from the market. Catfish have strong survival rates, though you can try other species too. Release them into the pond, which is already rich in microorganisms. As time passes, the water spinach grows lush and the fish grow rapidly. Feeding the fish produces waste, which acts as organic fertilizer for the vegetables and nurtures beneficial microbes, creating a healthy green ecosystem. Chemical fertilizers must not be added to the water spinach, as they ruin water quality and could kill the fish. After a while, the vegetables look thriving and ready for harvest, while the fish have grown big and plump from daily feeding. Looking at the roots extending out of the bottle holes, they absorb green nutrients directly from the pond water. Fresh water spinach like this makes a delicious stir-fry. When harvest time arrives, drain the pond water. The vegetables can be sold at the market, and the fish have grown thick and fat. What do you think of this aquaponics system? If interested, give it a try and enjoy being both a farmer and a fisherman.